And I see you sitting on a throne like this.
Oh, yes.
And the Lord said, from now,
Oh, yes.
nobody will remove you.
I receive.
That in the realm of the Spirit,
Oh, yes, sir.
if you only follow the prophet,
Oh, yes.
every footstep
Oh, yes,
you
sir.
step, where he moves, you move.
Oh, yes,
If he goes this way, you go that way.
Oh, yes, sir.
It's going to be easy for you.
That's what I'll do for.
I'm praying for things to begin to change. This season is your season. In the name of Jesus, this is your season. You, come. The one raising, come close. Come now. Come here. In the realm of the Spirit, it's like a move has happened.
Oh, yes.
And I see you sitting on a throne like this.
Oh, yes.
And the Lord said, from now,
Oh, yes.
nobody will remove you.
I receive.
Because I show it.
Oh, yes.
That in the realm of the Spirit,
Oh, yes, sir.
if you only follow the prophet,
Oh, yes.
every footstep
Oh, yes,
you
sir.
step, where he moves, you move.
Oh, yes,
If he goes this way, you go that way.
Oh, yes, sir.
It's going to be easy for you.
That's what I'll do forever.
Because
sir.
I show it as Moses shall be to Joshua, so it shall be for you.
I receive, sir.
Bala teke furona skemeten.
I receive.
Barefene toskemenes.
Senior Major.
Prophet of Jesus Joshua is a man of God called by God's grace from far. He was a secular music singer, used to live a sinful life, but God by his great mercy decided to make him his vessel. Now today, God's people are enjoying supernatural life through this facilitator, a prophet to nations. Who really is he now, after this great encounter with Jesus? A prophet born to prophesy with accuracy. Called to show love to God's people. A philanthropist with God by his side. A teacher to reveal God's mind on earth. A great fisherman who wins millions of souls for Jesus Christ. An instrument of God for healing and deliverance. Provoking testimonies of miracles and wonders. A woman healed from blood cancer, she is free now, after 2 years of bleeding. 13 years with no child, after a simple prayer of a man of God, she gave birth. Distance is not a limit. People are served from far all over the world. People come from every corner of the world to meet with the servant of God. He has his own prayer mountain, where God's power is really tangible. There is a full presence and divine visitation on that prayer mountain. From Burundi Bujumbura, he has sons and daughters all over the world. All these by God's mercy. We often understand why God so loved his people that he sent a prophet to them, to reveal heavenly secrets so that they live life according to God's will.